everybody, my name is Saahithi and I'm from the Busy Bots. In this video, we're going to talk about which came first, the chicken or the egg. Well, I think it would be the chicken because the chicken is the one that lays the egg. But wait, that chicken would have hatched from an egg. So did the egg come first? No, because the chicken's the one that laid it. Oh my gosh, this is so confusing. Okay, let's talk about what we know and come to a conclusion. We know that the first life on Earth was a single-celled organism. This was similar to the cell that develops into an embryo in an egg and eventually hatches. So this single-celled regenerated into multiple cells and created multi-celled organisms. Then the entire marine life developed and then soon evolved into amphibians, life that lives on both water and land. Then it became life on only land, like the dinosaurs. The dinosaurs, over a long period of time, evolved into birds like chickens. But wait, where did this single cell come from in the first place? Was it just there when Earth formed? Not exactly. It formed from non-living matter. There was DNA and amino acids floating around in the ocean. Then, when two molecules in the ocean was heated up with other minerals in the Earth's crust, it formed something called lipids. Lipids brought together the DNA and amino acids and formed a sphere-shaped thing, a cell, a living cell. But lipids would normally disintegrate when they met with salt, and all of this formation happened in the salty oceans. So how did they not disintegrate? Well, researchers recently found that when lipids were in the presence of amino acids, then they would not disintegrate. And when amino acids were concentrated with lipids, then over a period of time, they would become proteins. And this entire process of creating cells from non-living organisms is called abiogenesis. So now let's get back to our question. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, now that I think about it, there are different points of views to this question. Was the egg a chicken egg? Well, then it would have been the chicken that came first, because a chicken egg can only be laid by an actual chicken. If, for example, a dinosaur laid the egg, then it would be a dinosaur egg that hatched a chicken. But if it wasn't specific and it could be any animal that laid the egg, then it would have been the egg that came first. Because remember, the egg isn't only the shell, it's really the cell that develops into the embryo, like the first cell. So this is my look at the question about which came first, the chicken or the egg. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!